Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can add footers to your websites on Google Sites. So let us get started. So navigate to your website project on Google Sites, and after that what you want to do is click into Pages in the top right and navigate to the page you would like to edit. Let me go with the home page, select it, and after that scroll to the very bottom of it, and if you hover your mouse over the lowermost section of your page, that button will pop up here, Add Footer. Click into it, and now you can customize your website footer. You may add content to it, like, I don't know, type in your text, example, footer, then change the text type, like a title, heading, small text, normal text, change the font size, and bold letters. Of course you will need to highlight the text. There you go. So that's how it works. You may apply italic letters, bold letters, change the alignments. Let me change to centered alignment. And that's it, guys. That's your footer. Of course you can edit it even more, and for example click into the footer as a section, not only the text box. And here to the left you will see the section colors, the remove button. So if we select this section colors, you may go for one of these styles or upload an image as a background for your footer. Or yeah, that's it. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.